I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable cheer bow or spirit bow using the Mini Bowdabra. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to cut a piece long enough to fit into my Bowdabra and my Mini Bowdabra and then to tuck underneath. So I'm just folding it in half, laying it there and tucking it underneath my Mini Bowdabra so it stays out of the way. Then I'm going to take my football ribbon for this cheer bow, and I'm just going to again I'll do a little mountain in the middle and scrunch it down into the Bowdabra, because that's going to allow me to have the creases that you want to have in a hair bow. So again, I did my little mountain in the middle there and bring that like that. Then I'm going to bring this one coming this way, do my little mountain, and I'm going to bring this tail coming up. Then I have these cute little Korker ribbons. We're just going to lay these down into the Bowdabra and put those in there. And then I'm going to take my wand, give everything a really good scrunch. I'll take my Bowdabra bow wire, bring that up to the top, pull that through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm going to separate the ends and bring it around to the back. And then I'm just going to tie a knot, and we're going to double knot it and take my ponytail holder and just bring that through there. And I'm just going to double knot this again. So I'm going to tie a knot, and then I'm actually going to tie 2 more knots just to make sure that it stays really tight. Now, if I can ask you, please don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And now we have this really cute little hair bow.